Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this stand mixer, and ZZR7 did send this over to us for us to check out. Now, as you see, I've already got myself a little bit of a mess here because I made some delicious cinnamon rolls, and let me tell you, these were fantastic. This thing handled this like a champ. Some of this was pretty thick, but this had no issues at all taking care of that. Here on this side is your little locking mechanism. You just push it up and then boom, it locks and unlocks. And then your controls right here. As you see right there, you're going to have your whisk attachment right here. You're also going to have like your little kneading attachment type thing here. This thing that goes on top, and then you're going to have one more attachment. Got done using it. Boom! Right there you go. The one for my cinnamon rolls and stuff. Right there. It's also going to come with your instructions. I didn't even crack these open. It's super easy to understand this. And then here on the bottom, there is like some little suction cup thingies so that this will suction down to whatever you have it on, whether that be the cabinet or like I have it here now on my stovetop. So overall, this thing does a fantastic job. I really like it. I think you'll really like it too. They do have a few different colors available, so if you're needing something like this, been wanting something like this, like I have, this is my first stand mixer that I've ever had. Absolutely love it. Go ahead and check it out.